Hello team, how you doing? This is Romeo the Professor, my students, future students. What I'm going to do right now, I'm in Orca platform and I'm looking at all pools, and I see OOGI right now is at 312%. It's been there for a while, but I was waiting for OOGI to be at what I call close to its support. And if we look here, it's been playing right around here, which is, if we look at it, it's the 0.0030. So if we look, we see here it had dropped to 0.0025. That if we look here, if I just show more, 7 days low and high, so it's low 0.25 and high 0.0039. So because of that, I'm going to here enter more into the OOGI USDC. So let's click deposit. I'm going to use 10,000 USDC, and so hopefully that's about $20,000, and I should get $5,391 a month if the liquidity stays like that. So I'm doing it, and I just now approve, and it's a double dip. So now that I did it, I have to go here. You see where it says double dip, and so I'm going to click double dip so that it can double dip. And then it automatically double dips, so this increased to 30,300, where this should be 378. So it took the 20,000 out. So my USD coin is 355, which I need to build this back up to 400. And so right here, we're positioned right. Let me bring this out here, bring this here, so we know. Let me do a screenshot so I know right where I'm at, market-wise. Screenshot again. So now I want this 36,780 to go up. I don't want it to drop down because I'm hoping that this 0.00309 is a strong support. I will buy it again one time if it hits 0.025, and then I'm going to just chill. All right, so my name is Romeo the Professor. Follow, subscribe, share, like. This is OOGI platform. You need a Phantom wallet right here. And I'm sorry, Orca platform. And then it's an exchange, a pool. Staking, I don't really stake. Staking is not really strong here. It's really the pools that's strong. And as you can see, it has solid pools. Cato is a solid pool also, but these are meme coins that's giving you high APR, where Cato right here is getting high APR too. So let me see here. Let's see something. Do I have Cato? Solana. My Cato is small, so I'm okay. So again, follow, subscribe, share, like. I am Romeo the Professor, and I'm screenshotting this. I do have a course. All you have to do is click the link in my description. You'll see where you can enter your name and email address, and you'll receive a lesson a day after 3 days. And at that time, if you would like to buy the course, you'll buy the course. And that's the only way you'll join our private Telegram group. I'm out. Thank you. Follow, subscribe, share. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment purposes. Thanks.